Global settings. Basic settings known as global settings. Settings we are going to configure. There is no difference between ECC and S/4HANA. Settings are same. These settings are created at client level. Client level means can be accessed by multiple company codes. First basic settings we are going to do is fiscal year variant. Fiscal year variant. Let's understand fiscal year. Fiscal year is nothing but combination of couple of periods. Period depends upon our requirements. Every transaction you are going to post is going to be stored in a particular fiscal year, period and particular date. We are going to prepare profit and loss and balance sheet for a particular financial year. That's why fiscal year is required. Variant means variable. Configure once and you can use it multiple times. Multiple company codes can used it. Let's say within same client we have two company codes. The same criteria we are going to follow, then we will assign same fiscal year variant with multiple company codes. In SAP fiscal year variant is 2-digit. Financial year we are saying in domain. In SAP it is called fiscal year. Recording and reporting purpose we need to have fiscal year. Fiscal year can have 6 months periods or 12 periods months, based on our requirements. Some countries follow Jan to December, calendar year, as fiscal year. Some countries follow April to March, non-calendar year, as fiscal year. USA and some European countries follow calendar year. Calendar year starts from the 1st of January to the 31st of December. In SAP no need to do any configuration if you are following calendar year, it is system delivered. You can take K4 SAP delivered fiscal year variant. In India we follow non-calendar year. Starts from the 1st of April to the 31st of March. System delivered as V3. If you want to take any other month as start you can configure it as per your requirement. Let's take an example of calendar year. January is first posting period of calendar year, whereas December is 12th posting period of the calendar year. Let's take an example of non-calendar year starting from the 1st of April 2022 to the 31st of March 2023. April is the first posting period and December is 9th posting period. Jan, February, March 2023. Next 3 months we want to continue in our 2022 financial year, that is the 1st of April to the 31st of March. As Jan is 10th posting period, February is 11th posting period and Mar is 12th posting period in a fiscal year April 2022 to March 2023. You have to take these 3 months in previous year, that is called year shifting from 2023 to 2022 or backward year shifting. In backward year shifting 0 is period in current year and -1 is next year period, but we are taking in current year so that system understand that the period is in current fiscal year. Let's see the configuration. Month from calendar column. 4th period is April as per calendar year, but posting period will be first in fiscal year April to March 23rd. Number of days will be 30 and year shifting will be 0 as it is of current year. Month from calendar column. 5th period is May as per calendar year, but posting period will be second in fiscal year April to March 23rd. Number of days will be 31 and year shifting will be 0 as it is of current year. Month from calendar column. 6th period is June as per calendar year, but posting period will be third in fiscal year April to March 23rd. Number of days will be 30 and year shifting will be 0 as it is of current year. Year shifting will be 0 till December as it is in current fiscal year. January is the first month of calendar year, but in our case it's 10th posting period of the fiscal year 2022-2023. No of days 31 and year shifting will be -1. February is the second month of calendar year, but in our case it's 11th posting period of the fiscal year 2022-2023. Number of days 28 and year shifting will be -1. March is the third month of calendar year, but in our case it's 12th posting period of the fiscal year 2022-2023. Number of days 31 and year shifting will be -1. Year shifting applies only in case of non-calendar year. Let's see fiscal year in SAP. Through path under Financial Accounting Global Settings, Ledgers. Second way to access through T-code OB29. Fiscal year variant is 2-digit. Let's examine the V3 fiscal year variant. You can see as V3 is non-calendar year. Year shifting is done for January, February and March. Period text gives you details of the posting periods you configure. Next, number of periods. 1 to 12 months are called normal posting periods. In SAP you can configure max 4 specials periods along with 12 posting periods. Why special periods are required? Special periods are used after closing books of account, for missing entries, stock adjustment, subsidiary entries. Let's say we have closed the periods for fiscal year 2022-2023. Now during auditing in May 2023 we have found some entries not posted of year 2022-2023 of expenses related to August 2022. Now these entries must be incorporated in fiscal year 2022-2023. For that purpose we have special periods in SAP for any adjustments after closing books of accounts. Let's see how that works in SAP. The document date will be of August 2022 and posting date will be the 31st of March 2023 and posting period will be 13, which is a special posting period. Year dependent means, as per legal requirements, you can create the financial year from any month to any month in next year, which should have 12 months. Every year the period changes, the closing period is different. We can create a fiscal year variant by clicking on New Entries, or by copying the existing variant. But for our company code E001 we will take System Delivered Fiscal Year Variant V3. Let's assign fiscal year variant to company code. T-code OB37. Save to existing transport request or create a new transport request. Let's check company code global settings. You can see V3 as assign as fiscal year variant. Let's check company code table. You can see fiscal year variant V3 assigned to company code. Fiscal year variant are saved in Table T009. Let's check. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with latest uploads from this channel.